On day 2 of our trip, we went up to San Moritz. Wendy surprised me. The best part of the trip was the train ride down, the most scenic train ride possibly in the world. After a train ride, there's nothing like a cup of hot coffee. Switzerland has great coffee, and Italy definitely has great coffee.
Hi, Danny. Where are you going?
I'm going to Florence. Would you like to come along? Have a trip to Florence, another day in Italy.
Subiscono modifiche orario e cancellazioni parziali. Maggiori informazioni sui canali digitali o presso il personale di assistenza clienti.
Wendy arranged for us to take a trip from Milano to Florence on the bullet train. That thing reached 180 miles an hour. And here we are in Florence. And I'll just let you view some of the pictures of the classic Florentine sculpture, classic Florentine architecture. It was really something to see. One of the many classical churches in Florence. And we finish off our trip with the David, Michelangelo.